Hello students, I am Dr. Prakash. I welcome you all for the presentation on e-business subject of 6th semester BBA. In this session number 3.11, I will be discussing about the digital checks. Digital checks are an electronic checks or e-checks. It's in the form of payment made via the internet or another data network designed to perform the same function as a conventional paper check. Since the check is in an electronic format, it can be processed in fewer steps. Additionally, it has more security features than standard paper checks, including authentication, public key cryptography, digital signature, and encryption, among others. An electronic check is part of the larger electronic banking field and part of a subset of transactions referred to as electronic fund transfers. This includes not only electronic checks but also other computerized banking functions such as ATM withdrawals and deposits, debit card transactions, and remote check depositing features. The transactions require the use of various computer and network technologies to gain access to the relevant account data to perform the required actions. Electronic checks were developed in response to the transactions that arose in the world of electronic commerce. Electronic checks can be used to make a payment for any transaction that a paper check can cover and are governed by the same laws that apply to a paper checks. Now, let's move on to advantages of digital checks. The first one is faster processing. Faster processing times provides a key advantage for business owners. Paper checks must go through numerous steps before the money moves from the customer's account to the merchant's, which can take several days. An electronic check often processes in half the time, which means the business gets its money faster. This allows businesses to more easily manage their bills and creates a more stable financial situation for the business. The second one is fees and labor reduction. Businesses that employ electronic checks spend less money on check processing fees, which lets them devote more financial resources to core operations. Electronic checks also require less hands-on labor by employees and management, which allows the business to either reduce its overall labor force or devote that employee time to customer service, inventory management, and other mission-critical efforts. It also reduces the need to raise product or service costs to offset the labor cost and fees associated with the paper checks. And the last one is customer payment options. Some customers do not possess a debit or credit card. This limits purchasing options, especially from online vendors. Business that accept electronic checks provides you with access to goods or services that might otherwise remain unavailable to you. For example, if you want to start a website, you need to buy a domain name and purchase web hosting services. If domain registrars and hosting services only accept credit or debit card payments and you can only provide a check, you cannot start your website. If they accept electronic checks, however, you get the chance to start your website without needing to get a credit or debit card. Now let's move on to the disadvantages of digital checks. The first one is, and the major one is, fraud potential. As computer process electronic checks, hackers can potentially get access to your banking information. Some fraudulent businesses also offer electronic checks as a means to get you to hand them your banking information. The Federal Trade Commission suggests you not provide electronic check information to businesses you do not know and trust, whether online or over the phone. Legitimate merchants typically provide you with transparent information about how they process electronic checks. The second one is errors and reduced float. The computer-driven nature of electronic checks also makes them subject to computer errors. For example, a glitch in the processing might lead to a double withdrawal on your account or an incorrect withdrawal amount. Electronic checks also limit the amount of float, the time between writing a check and when the business cashes it. If you write a check to cover your cable bill with the expectation that the check will not be cashed for a week, but the cable company performs an electronic check conversion 3 days later, you can find your account overdrawn. Thank you.